got Excess Motor Works here, and we got their Tesla motor. We are gonna spray this with this aerosol powder and then put a bunch of these dots on here, and we're gonna 3D scan this so we have it in the computer. Then we're gonna go ahead and 3D scan the engine bay of the MR2, and we'll take it in the computer, kind of really figure out where we want it and design a mounting cradle system along with Eric Hux, and he'll go ahead and fabricate that for us, and then we'll bolt it in. So here, check it out.
Today we're putting stickers on a Tesla motor. Why? To scan it.
Okay guys, here we go. I'm about to start scanning. You can watch the screen over there.